that chilly when I took off. But it sure is chilly out there now. Welcome back to the Mini Max 1030R build. I need a little break there. Move on right now. The boat will be out in a minute. And I was thinking on the ride back, I wonder what a Harley motor would do on that little Mini Max. One like this here, I don't know if it's too powerful, maybe one out of 888 or something. This one here is close to 100 horsepower. But, well, look at yonder here. We got what looks like to be a airplane fuselage coming together. I made a couple jerry rig here stands just to hold it there. I gotta get into the drawings in a minute. Got me a center line there, and there's a the straight section in the middle, and it tapers to the back, tapers to the front. So I got to establish those points, get in some wood blocking. Then start getting the bulkheads in that I made and pulling around. You can still see I got a big stack of wood left. Anyway, stand by. We're going to continue to work on this. I got it nailed down here. Yeah, looking like an airplane fuselage. So stay tuned. Have it be looking more like an airplane next time we come together, just like each time, I hope. Hope you all have a great evening. Take care.